Well, I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see.
It looks something like this.
I'm very blessed in the sense that Governor DeWine has given me the opportunity to work on things I love, and this is the kind of stuff that I love. One of the things that government can do is to create incentives for our culture to do more of the things that we want it to do. And one of those things is develop a workforce. We are committed as an administration toward being great partners with you on the talent development front. On the innovation front as well. The two just are so important in our economy, and to the extent that the states that do this best will be the ones that win. The ones that don't will fall behind, as I often say. Same with communities and same with businesses and people. And I like, I really like what you're doing, and I know that as AI gets infused into manufacturing and the like, as you're seeing happen, this will continue to revolutionize, as you say, 4.0, and then we'll be at 5.0 before long, right?
Exactly.
So, thank you.